lightning has struck Saint Lawrence Church, and all the villagers, the Fabrica committee, and dean of the deanery is over here. We have met the parish priest, and we have seen the assess the damage caused. We require archaeological architects and engineers and good masons to carry out the same work, because the damage which is caused is also to the old slab which was built during Portuguese era, and because of that crack the water has entered inside, and likely in the future also it will enter. One side of the retaining wall of this church has given way, and there is a landslide which has taken place on the other side. Similar work was carried out at Xavier Retreat Center some 5 years back, and now again second phase of Xavier Retreat Center at Baga is going to start. Same way we have to do this protection of this retaining wall, which is over here at St. Lawrence Church, Shinkerim, and this will be carried out under disaster management fund of the state government. The chief minister will have to take a call on this. I am confident that the committee, when they write letter to the panchayat and panchayat writes to the chief minister, definitely he will consider the request and immediately carry out the repairs, improvement to the existing retaining wall, which was built some maybe 200 years back in a bolder way. So same way it has to be built again. We will also consult the Archaeological Survey of India when we are going to start the work. And strengthening of the retaining wall is very important because of this church, because there was a very big crack next to the church, the main church area, and then there is another hall which is there next to the church, the main church area, and then there is another hall which is there. That prayer room which was there, that crack is filled up temporarily. That retaining wall has given way, that is why the crack had come. So now we need to immediately take up the retaining wall and also the urgent repairs of the church with the cracks and tiles which are broken, more than 200 tiles, because the entire uh, masonry work which was there on top of the church has fallen on the tiles. The roof of the main church is damaged. One side there was a patra shade for the prayer room, which is damaged. We need to replace the whole thing. And very important is when the lightning strikes, we need to put a bigger tower over here for conductor. It is a conductor to which takes the lightning and puts it in the ground, so it does not strike any of the part of the church or any other place over here. It absorbs the lightning and takes it in the ground inside. So that sort of uh, requirement is there. We will put it under disaster management, and I am confident that the chief minister will take it up and see that this work is complete, because this is a very historic church and it is on a very famous plateau, that is Aguada Plateau, where the famous Fort Aguada, the jail which was just renovated by the Swadesh Darshan scheme of the central government, this is on the same plateau. And this is a very historic church, and we need to protect this.
What was your observation today and your assurance?
See, it's all paperwork which we need to do, and I assure the people that we will take up this work. Whatever damage which is inside, we will immediately start the work with the proper guidance of the archaeological architects and engineers, which we have told today to bring them, and the contractor whom they will suggest will do the work, and we will do it up and give them.
वैतोंब्राचे 2 तारखेक सांजेच्या वेळार पयलो वारो सुटलो. वारो जाल्या उपरांत जायतो पावस, ओग्यांनी पावस पडलो. पावस पडटना पयलो गडगड मारतालो, चड फोर्साचो नासलो. 9 वरांचेर इतलो फोर्सान मारलो तेन्ना लायटनींग स्ट्रायक जाली. सारको ब्लास्ट जाता ते भशेन आवाज आयकूंक आयलो. आमकां कळ्ळें की आमच्या इगोचेक स्ट्रायक जालाच म्हणून 100% वी वर शुअर. मागीर ते टॉर्च घेवन आमी पळयता जाल्यार भायर जाल्यार आमची एक टावर इगोजेची टोर म्हणटात आमी ती डॅमेज जाल्ली आसा. लायट सगळी गेल्ली आनी उपरांत आमी आमच्या फाब्रिका मेंबरांक कळीत केलें आनी ते रोखडेच आयले आनी जाता तितले निटायर घालूंक आमी आवडले. दुसरे दिसाय सगळे आमची इगोजेची जायती जाणां आयलीं पळोवंक, तांच्यांनी आदार केलो आनी आतां सद्या काम चालू आहा. आता इम्पॅक्ट असो जाला की टावर आसली ती टावर मोडून गेल्या. ते टावर पडून ती आमचे प्रेयर रूम आसली ताचेर पडल्या. मागीर इगोजेचे आमचे टायल्साचे स्ट्रक्चर आसले नळ्याचे तेचेर पडून ते नळे पडल्यात. टायल्स सुमार 150 सुमार ते मोडून गेल्यात. अशें जायते आमकां डॅमेज जाल्या. CCTV TV ज्यो आसलेल्यो त्यो इलेक्ट्रिकल्स चडश्यो डॅमेज जाल्ले आसा. सो तशें जायते आमकां लुकसाण जाल्लें आसा.
आज इन्स्पेक्शन कितें जालें?
आयज इन्स्पेक्शन आसलें आमचो ऑनरेबल MLA मायकल लोब आयलो, मागीर सरपंच आमचो आनी पंच मेंबर ते आयले आनी ताची कमिटी आयिल्ली आनी आमचे फाब्रिकाची कमिटी आनी आमचे सगळे गांवचे पॅरिशनर्स ती सगळीं आयिल्लीं आनी ताणें इन्स्पेक्शन केलें आनी आमकां अश्युअर केलां की आपणाक सगळें रिपेर करूंक ती रिस्टोर करूंक आसा तशीच आदार त्या दुरवांचो आमकां जायतो आदार जाय पडटलो कित्याक की आदलें स्ट्रक्चर ताका बरो मार पडलेलो आसा. So he is helping us in whatever way. So we have to just execute our plan.
केन्ना स्टार्ट केली?
एकदा आमचो प्लॅन रेडी जालो काय तो रोखडोच स्टार्ट करता. Now on the priority basis we have already started preparing the structure of the roof of the church. So it will be done by today or tomorrow. So rest of the things which require specialization. So we have to have a proper plan and to do it in priority basis.
ओके
आज कितें जालें?
जाले 2 दीस तो पावस येयलो. सुमार 9 वरांचेर बरो मोठो पावस येयलो आनी तेज्या बरोबर गडगडो आनी जोगलाणें बसले आमचे शिंगेरेचे इगोजेचे तोरीर आनी एक तोर मोडोन पडली. हें पयले पार्ट न्हू, पूण तेच्या आदीं जालेलें आहा. तर हें आतां तोरीचें रिपेर करूंक इट इज नॉट अ ऑर्डिनरी वर्क. सो यू रिक्वायर प्रोफेशनल्स, architecture and the professional contractor labor to replicate the tower which is already there. So second tower we have to we build a similar tower. So आमचो MLA आनी मंत्री बाब मायकल लोबो, सरपंच ब्लेज फेर्नांडीस आनी गांवचो लोक सगळो एकठांय जालो आयज आनी आमी उलयल्या आनी आतां आमी 2 दिसांनी कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आनी आर्किटेक्ट सोदतले आनी अंडर द चर्च सुपरविजन वी हॅव टू इन्फॉर्म द बिशप सिन्स इट इज कमिंग अंडर द बिशप. वील स्टार्ट द वर्क ऑफ रिस्टोरींग दॅट टावर. ते आनी त्याच बरोबर आमी वील आस्क CM ऑल्सो since he is heading the disaster management, we will request him to install a lightning conductor, so in future it does not happen again. Thank you.